In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a typography scale and text styles in Figma with the Type Scales plugin. Start by opening the action icon and searching for type scales. Launch the plugin, then click Save to confirm its default settings. Open the action icon again, run type scales once more, and set the base you want to use. For this walkthrough, we'll use 16 pixels with a 1.25 ratio, which scales up to 20 pixels and beyond in a clean readable progression. When you're ready, click Generate to create the text layers. On the left side in your Layers panel, select all of the text layers the plugin just produced. Cut them with Ctrl X, then paste them back with Ctrl V to consolidate them neatly in your current frame. With all the text layers still selected, right-click and choose Add Auto Layout. Over on the right sidebar, find Fill and change it to white so your text sits on a clean background. In the Auto Layout settings, set the size to 48 by 48 to keep the block consistent and easy to scan. Now organize the hierarchy. In the Layers panel, locate the 16 pixel text and rename it Body. Moving upward through the larger sizes, rename them H3, then H2, then H1. Above Body, add a small label called Caption. Remove any leftover text styles you don't need so your list is tidy and intentional. Select all layers on the left and press Ctrl D to duplicate them. We'll use the second set for bold variants. Click H1, H2, H3, Body, and Caption in the duplicate group. Then in the text section on the right, change their weight to bold. With all the bold layers selected in the Layers panel, right-click, choose Rename, and give them clear, bold names, something like Bold H2, so you can distinguish them instantly. Next, create a reusable text style. Select H1, go to the text panel, click the 4-dot styles icon, then hit the plus sign to create a new style. Give it a clear name, something like Example, and click Create Style. Click it again to confirm it appears in your styles list and is linked to the selection. Let's test it. Type a short sample line on the canvas. With that text selected, open the text styles, choose the style you created earlier, and apply it. You'll see the formatting snap into place, and you're ready to repeat this for H2, H3, Body, and Caption to complete a consistent, scalable typography system.